Not all threat actors operate with malicious intent. Some, known as ethical hackers or even white hats, are driven by morality. Morality to protect, to inform, and to improve. They hack not to exploit, but to expose vulnerabilities and advocate for a change. Ethical motivation is the topic. Now, ethical motivation in the cybersecurity area is multifaceted. It includes professionals testing systems to strengthen security. There are activists as well who are exposing wrongdoings. And then there are researchers who are uncovering flaws for the betterment of technology. Now, their goal is not to harm, but to enhance security and promote transparency and justice. Consider the actions of whistleblowers who reveal unethical practices or security researchers who responsibly disclose the vulnerabilities to the companies before they can be exploited. These individuals often risk their careers. They also risk their personal freedom to shed light on issues they believe are in the public interest. Consider the actions of Edward Snowden. He was a former NSA contractor who leaked classified information to expose what he believed to be mass surveillance overreach by the government. While controversial and leading to significant legal and diplomatic fallouts, his actions sparked a global debate on privacy and surveillance. Take another example of the white hat hacker group that exposed vulnerabilities in a popular voting machine, not to disrupt, but to ensure the integrity of elections. Their work helped to bring about changes in how voting systems are secured. Ethical hackers operate under a code of conduct. They seek permission before probing systems and then report their findings responsibly. Their motivation is often fueled by the desire to make the company, the organization, or let's say the digital world more than just safe. They always remind us that the world is overshadowed by criminals and there is room for honor and integrity. Now, the line between ethical and unethical can sometimes be blurred. What one sees as a righteous act, another might view as an unjustifiable breach. Now, this is a realm that is filled with moral and legal complexities. Think about a cybersecurity expert who discovers a significant flaw in a popular software. Now, instead of exploiting it or even selling it on the dark web, they alert the company, and this allows them to fix the issue before it can be used for harm. This is a common scenario for ethical hackers, and it reflects the true nature of ethical motivation. It reflects their crucial role in the cybersecurity ecosystem. Now, that's about ethical motivation, and the people who have ethical motivation must be recognized for their invaluable contributions as their skills are used for good.